On behalf of the Marion Parks and Recreation Foundation, we want to give you an update on the exciting inclusive playground at Lowe Park. Check out this playground and the benefit that this is going to be for all kids and all families in our community. We have had many individuals and businesses from around the community donate to the project to make this happen. We are only $25,000 away from reaching our fundraising goal and crossing the finish line. Would you please consider a donation so you can help us reach the finish line and complete this exciting project that will be a huge benefit to this entire community? Go to our GoFundMe page with the link below to donate now. And thanks again to all of the area businesses who helped contribute to this project.